Hey everyone, Squiggle Mom here. I just want to share with you a video that is really important if you have a website and you use WordPress. I use GoDaddy and I have had people go into and make all kinds of comments using bots on my website, and I need to clean it up. And this is where I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to share my screen. On this screen, I have the WordPress backend, the dashboard, and I have clicked on the comments tab. You can see there are 13,019 comments. Now, if you ask GoDaddy or you do on the website, you say, how can I clean up comments on my GoDaddy account? It will tell you how to do it. First of all, on your WordPress, it will say you select bulk actions, select all. So sharing my screen. Okay, here I select all, but you see I have 13,000 comments, right? And then I want to delete them. So I can just say trash. And now I only have, let's see. I have 13,019. Oh, bulk action. Approve, unapprove. Move to trash. Okay. And then apply. So now I only have 12,869. Once I had over 100,000 comments. 12,869, 500 at a time. Do the math. That's how many clicks you have to do. Now, I've known that there are ways to do this on the back end, but I just didn't take the time to go learn it. But instead, I took the time to delete 12,000, or at one time it was 100,000 comments, all at the same time. So right now, what we're going to do is we are going to learn how to do it using the GoDaddy tools. So to do this, you have to go to the GoDaddy backend, and I actually have the GoDaddy backend up here. I use cPanel. Oh, I'm going to have to blank these out, but I use cPanel. I have a lot of websites, but do you see how the sizes vary? So if I see a website with a database, these are all the databases displayed in the cPanel. If I see a website that has a large size, I would say there's a good chance that either has a lot of pictures that I've uploaded or it has a lot of comments. And I actually think that the latter is probably the case in a lot of these. Like, see this one, MAK, 128 meg. So let's go in here and see this database. Okay, MAK. Sorry, I'm going to pause this while I try to figure out where I go. Okay, okay, you told me don't want to see that. Modify databases. Okay. All right, back here. I'm on PHP My Admin, and I can see, I'm going to go to the MAK database. Let's close this up here. Here's the MAK database. And let's go to the W comments. And it has 13,319 total. So now I am going to make I'm going to get rid of the comments. So here I have a truncate statement that I had used on another database. Da, da, da. Let's do, oh, SQL. Sorry. So, truncate. Okay. Okay. Control, enter. Okay. Great. Now let's go back in and see how many it has. And it has 0. It's that easy. Right, now let's go back and refresh this and see how big it is. Oh, it still says 128 meg. I wonder if it doesn't reduce the size, but okay. Never mind. Let's go back into the website now. And there are 0 comments. So that's it. That's how you get rid of the comments. And I'm sure I didn't show you how to get into PHPMyAdmin or MySQL. I'm tired now, and this is what I want to share with you, but I will do a video, a more complete video later. But I've been wanting to do this, wanting to force myself to actually do this, the right way, instead of going through the slog of deleting comments, 1,000 or however many at a time. And there we go. Thank you.